Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I will show you a fish masala paste. Okay, fish masala powder also you can make and paste also. So for that you need around 6 Kashmiri chilies, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, then 1 whole of this garlic, smallest, and then I've taken 1 teaspoon of khaskhas, that is poppy seeds. Then I will be adding some pudina leaves for this. Okay, so let's grind this with vinegar. If you want to preserve it, then grind it with vinegar. Then I'll add Goan vinegar. So it's like 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar, and we'll grind this to fine paste without adding water. So here our fish masala is ready. Now if you are not preserving this, then you can add water and grind it like that same day or within 2 days. If you are going to do this, then you can add water and grind. But if you are going to preserve it in big quantity, then you can always you don't add water and only vinegar to preserve it. So जेंका पळय कोणाक हे दवरूंक जाय मसालो करून, हे नुस्ते फ्रायाचो मसालो करून दवरूंक जाय, तेंच्यांनी मातसो ह्यो मसालो फकत विनाग्रीन वांटूंक जायो. Okay, Goan vinegar, or this is like Pedro's vinegar which we get in market, or any vinegar which is Goan, or you can add any other white vinegar, whatever is available, apple cider vinegar, whichever. So now this is ready. Now we'll apply this to our fish. Okay. So this is our fish. So I've taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I have applied already for this salt, and now we will apply first we'll apply this. So this is Pallu fish fry, Goan Pallu. I don't know other states what they call for this fish. In English this is black snapper. We get red snapper, so like this only it is like black snapper. And now we will add our masala to this. Marinate this, and we can keep this for a few hours and then fry. The mint leaves, which is that pudinas, will give a nice flavor to this fish. Try this recipe. And now we'll apply this nicely to our fish. Now whoever wants to add sugar for this masala, you can always add. I have not added sugar. Okay. So now let's take some rava, that is semolina, and we'll keep oil. So I will be frying this with coconut oil. You can use any oil. So how much you want you fry, and remaining you can just cover it and keep it, and whenever you want to fry for your family, that time you can just fry this for the next day. If you are having a big family, then just fry it all. So I am frying around 6 pieces. So I've used this farm fresh coconut oil. You can. So I've used coconut oil, and that is farm fresh coconut oil. The oil is hot now, so you can use any coconut oil. So let's start. So let this fry nicely. So let's turn this. And we will fry this for few minutes. So here is our fish fry ready. Okay, hope you all will enjoy this Goan fish fry, Rava Fry, Pallu Rava Fry. Thank you.